What's up, gentlemen? Welcome back to a brand new video. I'm Dominic Welton and taking over Tiege's channel today to talk to you guys about how to get rid of that annoying acne we all find on our nose. Now, trust me, I know this firsthand. There is nothing more tempting than wanting to pop all of the zits we have on our nose, but as you probably know, that's not good for you or your skin. So the first thing you want to do when it comes to your acne on your nose is you want to reduce the swelling as much as possible, and sometimes even just taking an ice cube and rubbing that around your nose or a cold pack can help reduce that inflammation. The second thing we want to know is that finding a powerful face wash and acne cream is really going to be your key to success here. So developing a healthy skincare routine that you practice daily and implement into your life is going to be the #1 thing that helps you get rid of acne and prevent it from coming back. Now, before we actually use an acne treatment, we need to figure out which type of acne we're dealing with. Now, there's two common types you're probably gonna find on your nose. The first and probably most common type of acne we find on our nose is called acne vulgaris, and this is dealing with the whiteheads and blackheads we typically find around this area. Now, the whiteheads are ones that are closed and they're typically white, and those are the ones you pop. Blackheads are the ones that you find around your nose that you can squeeze, and they tend to just come out a little bit, which again can be very tempting to do, but please do not pick at your nose. The second type of acne some people deal with is called acne rosacea, which deals with more inflammatory acne around the area, typically seen with pulpus and little cysts. So if your acne looks a little bit more like that, then that's probably what you're working with. Now, both of these have different ways of becoming inflamed. Acne vulgaris typically comes from bacteria within the pores, whereas rosacea can stem from stress, heat, exhaustion, and dehydration. So again, back to that skincare routine, the first thing you want to do is you really want to find a gentle face wash, which can eliminate those pimples after the swelling has gone down. I personally use the face wash from Tiege Hanley right here, and I use this every single day, twice a day, so in the morning and at night. The key here is building this into a routine. When you wake up in the morning, the first thing you want to do when you take a shower, maybe after you work out or right before you start your day, you want to get all of the bacteria, all of the germs off your face, any dirt and grime that may be there, and especially right before you go to bed and you lay your head on that pillow for 8 hours, you don't want any dirt and grime you have on your face that you've gotten throughout the day to just be resting and sitting. You want to make sure you go to bed with a clear, clean, healthy face. The next thing you want to do and what I've implemented into my skincare routine is exfoliate. Tiege Hanley has a great exfoliator. It looks like this little guy right here, and I only use this twice a week. This is to help me get all the extra dead skin cells off my face. It helps me clear up my pores to make sure they're not clogged, and doing this twice a week really helps you get that glow complexion, because not only are you washing your face throughout the week, but you're getting all the dead skin cells off, which allows your body to regenerate new ones. Now, if you're still struggling with acne, especially around your nose, after you've applied the face wash and the scrub twice a week, you can use a salicylic acid acne cream. Tiege Hanley's got a great one. It looks like this right here. Now, the really cool thing about Tiege's acne cream is it actually causes a chemical reaction which naturally smooths and exfoliates inflamed skin. Plus, what's actually really cool about it is it goes deep in your skin to help remove any oil and debris which can lead to more acne. So let's go ahead and recap what we've talked about. First things first, do not pick your face. As tempting as it is, leave the acne alone, let the products do the job, and do not pop your pimples. The second thing you want to do again is you want to make sure that you can help reduce the swelling even by using an ice cube or something just to bring that inflammation down. The third thing you want to do is you want to identify what type of acne you have so that way you know which products to use. And the fourth thing you want to do is you want to build a healthy skincare routine into your life. Again, it's about building those healthy habits. It's not a one-off thing. You want to do this daily. So find a face wash, find an exfoliator, and if you need to, use an acne cream. With that, gentlemen, I hope you enjoyed today's video and I hope you learned something. If you want to check out more videos from Tiege on skincare, you can click over here. If you want to learn a little bit more about Tiege and their products, you can go ahead and click over here. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below to let us know your thoughts. As always, I'm Dominic Welton and it's been a pleasure. I will see you guys for the next video in a bit. Bye, guys.